This is how you fit ClimAir wind deflectors with no clips or adhesive.
Yeah!
Hi guys, welcome back to another
What
video
up, people?
on the same day again. Wow. We're smashing them out.
We are.
Today we are. What are we doing? Hold on.
We are doing.
It's just a quick, easy one. I've never fitted these before on any car I've ever owned. You've got them on yours, haven't
I've
you?
got my mine, yeah, but I had to silicone mine on because they kept falling off.
ClimAir
Oh!
wind deflectors. Everyone always fits Heco or Heiko.
That's what I got. Yeah, they're shit.
A lot of people are fine with them, but I was recommended these by a guy called Dan who you met at Castle Coombe, who does the FN2 crew.
Yes.
He runs that club, and he recommended the ClimAir ones because he's got them on his. So if they're crap, it's all your fault, Dan Lawrence.
No pressure. No pressure.
So this
Dan.
should be an easy fit, but and again, it's another little video to see our beautiful faces. Excuse the snotty nose. Let's get them out, shall we?
Let's get them out.
I'm surprised I even managed to get these because I ordered them for a link on Facebook and didn't save any of the information and then lost it all and they are them buddies. How do you fit them, mate?
Got clips with them. They
Yeah.
should just, yeah.
Bit of gum. Instructions.
There should be clips there, mate. Somewhere.
What's the difference between? Oh no, I don't think there's any clips, mate. It's all sticky stuff.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
The
No,
Heco one.
We've got to give it a little clean first.
Heco ones are clips.
The area.
I know that.
Ideal, it's all in foreign. Oh no, it's not. 1. Put your window down. 2. Push it on. 3. Place the deflector on the window bench and lean it to the window triangle. Don't place the deflector in the door. Ah, okay, so it sits on top. 5. Clip that in there. 6. Push that up there.
7. Put window up. Ben, you've had your car running now, mate, for like 20 minutes. You're going to have no fuel left.
Got a quarter of a tank, mate.
That'll be gone.
And it says leave it for 24 hours. Well, that's not going to happen, is it? Because I've got to arrive at home. Well, it's got no sticky stuff with it or anything.
No, mate, it should have clips.
It doesn't come with anything. That is it. That is all I have. It doesn't say anything about clips. It doesn't say anything about anything. It's got a sad face. And I have it. Oh no, you can't. Oh, you're lit. Oh, my face was right up to the camera. Gross. Ugh, don't do that. No, there's nothing with it. They just slot in.
Oh, right, okay.
It's a slotty innies.
Wow.
Go, shall we? Let's have a go, but I went for
You sure there's no adhesive or anything on the back of it? Nothing at all? No tape, no?
It doesn't look like it, like.
All right.
Where is it? Oh, yeah, that there's sticky. That I think you peel that off.
Yeah.
Oh, look, the ting.
Ting.
Which side's that then? That's the driver's side, I'm guessing.
Let's try it then. But a bloody good tied up in this garage today as well, haven't we, Benji? Look, we can actually walk in here now, look. Woo!
Decent, isn't it?
It's cool.
So it should sit like that, not like that. I'm guessing that's.
This is, look, guys, this is the board that we done last year.
Isn't it? No, I don't even think that comes off. It doesn't say anything on there about taking.
Remove any
anything out.
tape. Well, just we've got plenty
It
of.
must just slot in.
Well, obviously, guys, if you look at my Heco ones on my car, they are rubbish. Because driving up to Japfest a few years ago, they actually decided to fall off on the motorway. Luckily, I had a passenger that caught it. But yeah, so I ended up having to silicone them on, and they're rubbish.
So they must just slot in like that.
They must do them.
Window down. Let's get the window down. Oh, I feel that heat.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm going to go out now. Blimey. Blimey Riley. Right, so. I can't remember what way around we do this.
That's it. Like that. Yeah. It should just literally click into there. That's it.
That's not it.
It is.
Can't be. Oh, that does push right in. Is that it?
That's it.
Is it? Surely not. Is that it?
Yeah.
I mean, they're pretty in there. I guess when the window's up, it's...
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Shut up. Was the window go up?
Well, let's find out.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Oh, God. Put it up. Oh. Oh, my word.
What happened?
I heard a click.
So did I. Caught something, didn't
It's
it?
just catching on the seal. Do it again.
Caught on that. You can't do it slowly.
That's it.
Yeah. That's it,
Fucking radiator's leaking.
Fucking bastards.
What, on what?
In the house.
Oh, in your house?
Yeah.
That's it.
Easy as that.
Easy as that. What the fucking choof? That's it, that. What do you reckon? I don't know if I like them. What do you think?
Yeah.
Do the other side. It's far too easy. Oh, come on. Do the other side, fellas. Right. Let's do a proper step-by-step guide on this one. Window down. So again, this is how you fit ClimAir window deflectors with no clips or adhesive.
Or what? Adhesive. Adhesive.
Make sure it's clean, which we haven't, but whatever. Put this bit in here first. Push it up there like that.
Pressure fit, mate. Pressure fit.
Tuck it in there, behind your wing mirror plastics. Some out. Right there. Push it in.
Love the sound effects bench.
That's it. It's in. And then
Window up.
do your window up. You might
Crack, and then you're away.
hear a little bit of a crack, but you just kind of have to go for it, I think. This one might not do it, the other one did. Sorted.
Brilliant. There it is. Nice. Right nice.
Read nice, read nice. Read nice. That's it. That is how you fit your ClimAir, what are they called? Wind deflectors.
No adhesive in
No
about 30
adhesive.
seconds.
No clips. Easy peasy. They were from Euro car parts. I will put a link down in the old crotch box. I think they were 35 quid, something like that.
Darling. Kaylee? Come here a minute.
So that was it. That's another video, just a short one, but we're breaking them up. Doing bits.
On a Saturday.
Exactly. Thanks for
No
watching.
rain, fantastic.
I know, yeah, I know. Look, blue sky. Unbelievable. Bit windy, bit chilly, but it was all good. We're going inside next to do 2 more videos. Smash it out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, tell us what you think down below. See you on the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.
Peace out.